Good morning, children. In today's session, I'm going to give revision in science for 3rd standard. So already we have finished the portions, children. So second and third lesson you have for the annual exam. So now we will start the revision now. Those who have the book can take page number 90. Okay, children. So first we'll see the objectives from these two lessons. So take down, I hope you all have written these two lessons in your classwork, children. Just check your classwork. Now take your classwork and start writing the revision. So first write this like this, okay? Revision. And first we'll finish each Roman numbers. That is Roman number 1, choose. From both the lessons we'll write the choose, okay? So you all take the books and write the revision, children, okay? Now first, Roman number 1, choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Okay, children? You all taken your classwork? Start writing. Here, bear sometimes eats pumpkin, and sometimes eats fish. Sometimes eats fish. So it is an dash. Okay, children, this is a question. That is, deer sometimes eats pumpkin and sometimes eats fish. So it is an dash. So 3 options are given there. What are the 3 options, children? That is A, carnivore, B, omnivore, and C, herbivore. So 3 options are given there. So what is the correct answer? Yes, B, omnivore. So already I have written in this in the classwork, children. So once again you write this, take your new page and start writing this revision. Okay? So B, omnivore. So what is the correct answer? B, omnivore. Next. Flesh eating animals have well developed dash. So first you can write the answer here in this dash, okay? Now what is the question? Flesh eating animals have well developed dash. So what are the 3 options? A, molars, B, tusks, and C, canines. So what is the correct answer, children? Yes, C, canines. So you have to write this canines in the dash there, okay? Are you all writing, children? Yes, elephant is a dash. So what is the question? Elephant is a dash. So options A, herbivore, B, carnivore, and C, omnivore. So what is the correct answer? Yes, herbivore. So in this dash you have to write Herbivore, herbivore. Okay, children? Now next. 4th one. Choose the carnivore. Choose the carnivore. Options A, deer, B, lion, and C, giraffe. Yes, the correct answer is B, lion. L-I-O-N. Next. In a food chain, a dash can be placed immediately before a snake. Before A snake. So options: A, eagle, B, frog, C, grass. Yes, correct answer is frog. So write this in this dash, children. Frog. Okay. Now next, sixth. Select the animal. Select the animal. Write down neatly, children, without making any spelling mistakes. Select the animal that has similar eating habit like a bear. So what is the question? Select the animal that has similar eating habit like a bear. So A, camel, B, deer, C, hen. So what is the correct answer? Hen. H-E-N, hen. Okay. I will take down this in your notebook, children. Shall I rub the board? Yes. Okay, children. So next is seventh one. Find the odd one. Find the odd one based on the habitat. Based on the habitat. So what is the question? Find the odd one. Find the odd one based on the habitat. So the answer is, options what are there? A, deer, B, fish, and C, fox. So answer is fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Then which of the following has different eating habits compared to the others? So once again we'll read the question, children. Which of the following has different eating habits compared to the others? So what will be the answer? A, elephant, B, cow, and C, dog. So what's the correct answer? C, dog. D-O-G, dog. Next. A bird that has beak. A bird that has beak, which helps it to crack open shells. And eat the seed inside is dash. So what is the answer? A, sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. So what's the question? A bird that has beak which helps it to crack open shells and eat the seed inside is dash. So answer is A, sparrow. Okay, children. Now next. Next we'll move to the fill in the blanks. So have you all finished this? Yes. Take down neatly, children, without making any spelling mistakes. So all this you have to learn for your annual exam, okay? This revision is for your annual exam. So write neatly so it will be easy for you to learn. So next we'll go to the fill in the blanks. Roman number 2. Fill in the blanks. Okay. So then take page number 91 and the third lesson is page number 102. So in this page number 91, 5 fill in the blanks is there. Okay, Roman number 2 you can able to see, children. Then see page number 102, take page number 102. In that lesson also, there are 5 fill in the blanks. Totally how many? 10 fill in the blanks we are going to write now, okay? So one by one we'll start. First one, a small habitat. A small habitat is dash. Answer is leaf. A small habitat is leaf. Butterflies. Butterflies suck nectar. Nectar. Nectar from flowers. Nectar from flowers. Chisel beak. Chisel beak is present in woodpecker. 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 4. The parrot eats nuts. The parrot eats nuts. Okay. Then 5th. A food chain always begins with plants. Okay, children. Then 6th. So next we'll take the next lesson, page number 102. Those who have the book you can take. Then air has weight. 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 Things need air. Things need air for burning. Things need air. AIR. Air for burning. Then the process by which we breathe. The process by which we breathe in air is known as inhale. 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 Yes, are you taking down in your notebook, children? Start writing now itself, children, okay? Only then it will be easy for you for your exam to learn. Then 9th one. The organ that helps us to breathe is lungs. 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 When we breathe in air, when we breathe in air, the chest raises up. The chest raises up. Okay, children? Yes? This 10, fill in the blanks. That is Roman number 2. Next, Roman number 3. True or false? True or false? That is in that page number 102. Only 5 true or false is there. In lesson 2, you don't have true or false, right? So now, in this third lesson, you have true or false. Only 5 is there. So first one, air is nowhere. Air is nowhere. False. Second, are you taking down in your notebook, children? Okay. So, air is nowhere. Air fills the empty space. Air fills the empty space. True. Then third, clouds move. Clouds move because of the movement of air. So what is the answer? True. Yes, are you taking down in your notebook, children? Then fourth, a very strong wind. A very strong wind is called gale. Yes, again answer is true. Last one, fill true or false. We release oxygen during breathing. Yes, so answer is false. So that's air is nowhere. Okay, air is nowhere. False. Air fills the empty space. True. Clouds move because of the movement of air. True. A very strong wind is called gale. True. We release oxygen during breathing. False. Yes. Now we'll either match the following. So take down neatly in your notebook, children. So next is, we're going to see match the following. Roman number 4. Match the following. So page number 78 you can take. First match, honeybee. Answer is honeycomb. Okay. From this match the following you will get for the annual exam, children. Okay. Spider web. Then lion, then fish, water, then bird, nest, earthworm, soil. Okay. And next is seventh one, breeze, gentle wind, breeze, gentle wind, storm, strong wind, storm, strong wind, strong wind, and sea, gale, very strong wind, very strong wind. Okay, children.